So we are saying that we have identified the we have already identified the cathode side of the diode. Okay, this is the diode here, and the cathode side is on the lower side. Then we have identified, or we have been able to track where it is going to the connector. Then we want to find out if truly it links to the anode side of the LED. Now clip the screen. Clip the screen. That side is the display side. Make sure it just clips correctly, because I can see the connector is burned. Just clip it. This one is for practical purposes. Make sure it clicks or it locks. Just clip the other one, there is no problem. That is the charging flex. So we all know that this other cable goes down to this board, then to the subboard, and this one is for the display LCD section. We all know, we all are aware that this one is the strip for display backlight for this screen. Okay, now we are going to look at the anode side of this, if truly it links to the cathode side of the diode. If they do link, that means there is a complete circuit. Could you please just remove this shield, the paper, the yellow paper that is shielding the why do they install this yellow paper here? So that it cannot short with this frame. Okay, yes, this frame is a good conductor. So if this one slips on this one, probably it will short, but I can see here they have insulated it already. So just use your multimeter on continuity mode and identify the anode side of the screen. Use your multimeter on continuity mode. You have identified the anode. Have you? Check for the anode. You sure that is the anode? Just a minute. Check correctly. Check correctly for the anode side. Check correctly. They are labeled. Mimi najua, nataka nyinyi mjue. Okay, give it a try with the multimeter. There, and I wish cool now. That's what I wanted you to identify. So the anode will go all the way. The anode side of the LCD will go all the way to the cathode side of the yeah. So this is just but a multimeter. Most of the times you'll find that line is the one that breaks most of the times, but you don't need to go as far as disassembling the screen for you to fix that. Okay, that is why you were checking on the connector first. You remember the first assignment was to check on the connector where this one is going to, so that you can be sure of what usually goes on behind the scenes, what usually goes on. And we identify that it goes to some connector here, and after the connector, then we can prove that it is going truly to the cathode side of the diode. Now, what usually goes about, how much voltage is needed here if the screen is off, how much voltage is expected here if the screen is powering on, or for the normal functionality of the screen, how much voltage is needed here. We are going to involve our charger now. So we are going to plug this charging subboard, then we will plug a charger, then we will take measurements of the voltage. Okay, now please plug in the charging. And before we finish with that, I would also like you to identify the charging IC. Okay, this one is shielded already. We will do that after after we are done with the display light section. We'll go to the charging after we're done with the display light section. Have a look now.